After a great bank holiday, I went back to school again. I looked at my timetable and I saw that we had mathematics. Oh dear me, I don't want to make divisions, please. Suddenly, John, our tutor, came into the classroom and said to get all our things. We followed him to another classroom. Eh? What was happening? This was so strange. Elena and her students were already there, sitting on the floor, waiting for us. That was interesting. We were nervous because we didn't know why we were there. John started speaking and explained that we were going to make a project for the following 5 days, and that was going to be our classroom during that time. He said that we could change the world if we decided to do it so. And the best way to do it was starting doing changes around us, in the place where we lived. And then Elena made the question, do you feel that we need to change anything in the school? We started to answer, and we all agreed that there were a lot of problems at the playground time. We are sometimes bored and do not know what to play, and not all the people like to play football or basketball. So John asked, can you imagine a new playground? Can we try to change it? Yes, we can, we answered happily. Let's go for it. The classroom were worked in had a space where we could have all the material we could need. Sheets of paper, crayons, pens, stickers, scissors, glue, sellotapes, tablets, chairs, tables, and even cushions to relax. Also, we could use our own material, for example, cameras, mobile phones, tablets, to take pictures or videos of all our actions. First, all together, we thought in what to change in our playground, and later, in small groups, we started with the next step, which was to work on the 5 subjects that we chose: space, materials, sports, actions, coexistence. Every group had one subject and had to think of different ideas about how to change our playground activities. After listening all the groups and all the ideas, we voted the most creative idea for each subject. It was not easy to do it because everyone wanted his or her own idea. But finally we understood that the most important thing was the group's idea. And all that was the result of the second day, the Imagine Day. Then, once we had clear our ideas, we thought about how to develop them. So we started planning on the third day, how to make these ideas real. After that, it was time to move on the fourth day, which consisted of thinking about all the situations and actions that we have lived during the whole project and make some drawings to express those feelings. Finally, we presented our project to all the students, paying attention to those ideas which were good and those which could be improved.